Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to customize our vivid screen mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for our screen options, we have to go to settings, then under display we have screen mode. By default it's vivid one. We can change it here. Now it's natural, now it's vivid, and we can also change our white balance right here too. Moreover, we have a few more options here. Not many options, but some. Our vivid mode is now customized. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.